founding fathers put these Bill of Rights as additional restrictions on the power of the federal government. These rights don't come from a piece of paper. They don't come from the Constitution or the Bill of Rights or the Declaration of Independence or any document or works of man. These are rights endowed by our Creator. What this document does, in my opinion, is just explains or lists additional restrictions on the power of the federal government. And it's pretty clear in Amendment 9 and 10, where they didn't intend for this to be a list that is granting rights, but just a list of rights that should not be trampled upon by government. So just keep that in mind as we read. And we're going to start with at the top is a preamble to the Bill of Rights, which actually explains exactly what they would do. So let's go. Congress of the United States begun and held in the city of New York on Wednesday, the 4th of March, 1789.
Conventions of a number of states having at the time of their adoption the Constitution expressed a desire in order to prevent misconstruction or abuse of their powers that the further declaratory or restrictive clauses should be added. And as ascending the ground of public confidence in the government will best ensure the beneficent ends of this institution. Resolved by the Senate and House of Representatives of the United States of America in Congress assembled, 2/3 of both houses concurring, that the following articles be proposed to the legislatures of the several states as amendments to the Constitution of the United States, all or any of which articles, when ratified by 3/4 of the said legislatures, to be valid to all intents and purposes as part of the said Constitution, namely, articles in addition to an amendment of the Constitution of the United States of America proposed by Congress and ratified by the legislatures of the several states pursuant to the 5th article of the original Constitution.
Amendment 1.
Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for redress of grievances.
Amendment 2.
A well-regulated militia being necessary to security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed.
Amendment 3.
No soldier shall, in time of peace, be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in the manner to be prescribed by our law.
Amendment 4.
The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, particularly prescribed place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on presentment or indictment of grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia, when actual service in time of war or occasion, nor shall any person be subject to the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in a criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation.
Amendment 6.
In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and appointed with the witnesses against him to have compulsory process for three witnesses in his favor, to have the assistance of counsel for his defense. Ensues at common law, where the value of controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by the jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. Amendment 8. Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted. Enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people.
Amendment 10.
Powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to states, are reserved to the states respectively or to the people.
Absolutely. All right. The first speaker is a wonderful gentleman. He is a member of the Libertarian National Committee, professor of engineering at the University of Virginia, former Libertarian National Party Chairman, and also served as Secretary of the Jefferson Area Libertarians, Dr. James Lark.
Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for taking the time to come out. I realize that it's very warm and sunny here, and that perhaps many of you are worried about the heat, but thank you. I very much appreciate your taking the time and trouble to assemble here today. I'll keep my remarks mercifully short. I think it is very important that we of liberty disposition emphasize the importance of the Bill of Rights in the American constitutional system. When you ask people, particularly Americans, about what is special about the American system of government, of what are people most proud, usually it involves things such as freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly. The common theme in all of these things is freedom and freedom against government. Governments are instituted to protect our rights. That is the only legitimate purpose of this thing called government. And when government goes beyond that proper function of protecting rights, it has gone too far, and we must put it back into its cage. I think that many of our friends and neighbors in the United States, unfortunately, don't seem to understand the importance of the Bill of Rights. And that's why it is very important for us to assemble and point out the importance of the Bill of Rights and the extent to which the rights that are respected in the bill are under attack. I think in particular we see and will see increasing attacks on our rights of free speech, our rights of assembly, the right to keep and bear arms, the rights of defendants to have proper process, search and seizure protections. Particularly the war on drugs has been a major battering ram against many of our rights. And so I greatly appreciate your taking the time and trouble to be here today, first of all to recognize the importance of the Bill of Rights, and then to stand for that, the rights that are recognized in the bill. So thank you very much. I certainly appreciate your being here, and let us resolve to go forward and actually promote a society of individual liberty, personal responsibility, where those rights are respected. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming out today. Liberty is very difficult to win and easy to lose. So, as Dr. Lark stated, we must leave here with a new resolve to spread the word, the shining light of liberty in the United States across this wonderful land, and spread the word of liberty as to the best of our ability. Thank you very much.
Thank you.